Welcome to the Indian Nurse YouTube channel. Today's episode, I want to discuss about fundamental of nursing, in that care of terminally ill patients. Let's start.
What is rigor mortis? It is the stiffening of the body that occurs about 2 to 4 hours after death as a result of decreased ATP production. Rigor mortis starts in the involuntary muscle like heart, bladder, then it will progress the head, neck and trunk and finally reaches the extremities. So this is about rigor mortis and it is one of the very important question. Next we'll see enlist the stages of death. Mainly there are 3 stages. First one rigor mortis, second one algor mortis and third one livor mortis. So we'll see about the first stage, that is a rigor mortis. In this stage the body becomes stiff within 4 hours after death as a result of decreased ATP production. Second stage algor mortis. In this stage temperature decreases by a few degrees each hour. The skin loses its elasticity and will tear easily. And the third stage, livor mortis, dependent part of body becomes discolored. The patient will likely be lying on their backside being the dependent body part. The discoloration is a result of blood pooling as the hemoglobin breaks down. So this is about the stages of death. Next question. Mention types of loss. Here you have to give the definition of loss, then you have to write the types of loss. So definition is, loss is an actual or potential situation in which something that is valued is changed or no longer available. We'll see the types of loss. First one, necessary loss. Second one, maturational loss. Third one, unwanted or unexpected loss. Fourth one, actual loss. Fifth one, situational loss. Sixth one, perceived loss. And the seventh one, predictable loss. So these were the types of loss. Next question, list down stages of grieving process. Very important question for the 2 marks also, even 5 marks also. According to the Kubler-Ross, there are few stages of normal grief process. First one, denial. Second one, anger. Third one, bargaining. Fourth one, depression. And the fifth one, acceptance. We'll see one by one. First one, denial. It is a normal reaction to rationalize overwhelming emotions. Second stage, anger. Anger can be manifest in different ways. People dealing with the emotions upset can be angry with themselves. Third stage, bargaining. The third stage involves the hope that the individual can somehow undo or avoid a cause of grief. Fourth stage, depression. During this fourth stage, the grieving person begins to understand the certainty of death. And the last stage, fifth stage, acceptance. In this last stage of individuals begins to come to term with their mortality or inevitable future or that of a loved one or other tragic event. So this is about the stages of grieving process. Next question. Write the meaning of last office. The term last office relates to the care given to a body after death. After the physician is pronounced the death legally, documented the death in the medical record, care of the body is usually performed by the nurse. If the patient is to be an organ donor, arrangements will be made immediately. If the patient had any valuables, they are handed over to the relatives. So this is about the last office.
So here I will be winding with this episode. For the next question answer, next video. If you liked with the topic, please like the video. If you have any doubts, please comment me on comment box. If you are not subscribed with the channel, please subscribe the channel, and for the more notification, please press bell icon. Thank you.